Welcome back. Algebra 2, we're in lesson 103. We're going to talk about advanced polynomial division. We can divide polynomials that have more than one variable by using the same method that we use when only one variable is present. So let's jump right into example 103.1. We have x cubed plus y cubed divided by x plus y. So let's walk through this. First of all, we're going to need a little bit of room. So we need to move the y3 down, and you'll see why in just a minute. All right, so first of all, x goes into x cubed, x squared times, right? Because x squared times x is x cubed. Now we say x squared times y. That gives us a positive x squared y. We change the signs. Let me do a little better job of that. And then we combine, and we have negative x squared y. Now what goes into negative x squared y to give us, or x goes into this, what goes into that with the x to give us negative x squared y? So I said that wrong, but you understand what I mean. It's negative xy, because when we multiply negative xy times x, we get negative x squared y. And then when we multiply xy times y, we get a negative xy squared. How about that? So now we change the signs. These cancel. We have a positive xy squared. Now we can bring down the positive y cubed. And we can say what goes into xy squared. What times x? That's going to be a positive y squared. Y squared times x is going to be xy squared. Y squared times y is going to be a positive y cubed. Change the signs, and they cancel. We're left with a remainder of 0. So this is the answer here. So what you have to do is kind of work your way from one to the other, allowing a little bit of room in between, and kind of identifying or paying attention to getting over here. You'll know it when you see it. You'll know when to bring this down. It's after the y engages, and the next multiplication would give you y3. Okay, when the next multiplication of this value would give you this number. So you work your way from one side through to the other. Let's try another one. We're going to divide, let's see, x cubed minus y cubed by x minus y. So very similar. This is 103.2. So x goes into x3, x squared. X squared times x. Let's move this down a little bit. We're just going to move you out of the way until we need you. X squared times x is x cubed. X squared times y is a negative xy, x squared y. Change the signs. This cancels. We have a positive x squared y. X times x, or xy times x, so positive xy times x gives us x squared y. See how that works? Xy times a negative y is going to give us a negative xy squared. Change the signs. Cancel. Positive xy squared. The next multiplication of this is going to give us a y cubed, so we bring that y cubed down. So we need to multiply times the x here to give us xy squared. So that's going to be a positive y squared. So we've stopped using the x, and now we're over to the y. And that's when you bring that y3 down, when we stop with the x and move over to the y. So we brought that down, and now we're going to multiply this y squared times both of these. X times y squared is xy squared. y squared times y is going to be a negative. It's a negative y. So negative y cubed. Change the signs. These cancel, these cancel. And then you have no remainder. And so this is the answer to x cubed minus y cubed divided by x minus y. Alrighty. All right. So that is all I have for lesson 103. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will see you in lesson 104.